10th of August 2021, we have Takalankuja 6 staircase A, and also of course Emenantien 27 here in Laajavuori, one of the suburbs of Jyväskylä. In Keski-Suomen meistä Finland. This is asunto ja Kortepohja. Capacity is 4 persons, 320 grams, but and being 6 fixtures and big pictures. We thought this was completely locked off, but the window was open, so it is not locked off in the daytime. Let's see when this was built. It was built in 1969, turned 50 years old in 2019, will be inspected in the next year, 2022. This number is H18099 with 6 floors. Let's write it. Oh, and it's faster.
Yeah.
Amazing sounds.
Yeah.
Amazing find.
Yeah, probably the best in Laajavuori.
Probably the best ones. I love the sounds here.
So,
Even though it's just MP6, but still amazing. But it could have also been much later from 1969.
yeah, of course.
Do another silent ride. And here it says 1969 also.
Spektiin pakkivaisi pitää mietin, että vaikka on.
Only Finnish here, but still.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the staircase B here.
That's